Okay, welcome to another video from DIYPCrepairs.net. We're going to take a look at how to partition a hard drive from within Windows 7. A lot of computers come with just one great huge C drive, and there's a very easy way to actually reduce the size of C, create another hard drive, another partition. So what we're going to do is, if we go down to Start, and then if we right click on Computer and go to Manage, okay, what that'll do is it'll open up the computer management window, and on there you'll see Disk Management. So if we double left click that, okay, this is going to show us the partitions that we've got on our system, which, as you'll see here, we've got C drive and it's just a full 25 gig. Now let's just say that I want a 10 gig partition on there. So what we do is we right click the partition that we want to alter, and we go down to Shrink Volume, and we left click Shrink Volume. It'll just take a minute to query the drive. Okay, so once it's done that, it's going to tell us the total drive that we've got, which is the 25 gig. We've got 17 available, and we can now here enter the amount that we want. So if we want a 10 gigabyte hard drive, there's 1024 megabytes in a gig, so we want 10,000, and there we go, 10,240, and then we hit shrink. And what's going to happen now is it's going to shrink the volume down to that size. Okay, there you go, very quickly. So we now have two partitions. Now this new partition, the 10 gigabyte partition, still needs a little bit of work. So if we right click and we can select New Simple Volume, click that, and then we'll be given the wizard. So we click Next, and the simple volume here that we've got, the maximum disk space is the 10 gig that we've just created. We're going to leave it as a 10 gig. We could also shrink that down to 5 gigs, whatever we want. We're going to leave it as a 10 gig. We'll click Next. Now we have to assign a drive letter. So these are all the drive letters that are available. So we're going to call it B. We don't want to mount the drive, and we don't want to assign a drive letter to a drive path. So select B. We clicked. Now I'm going to format the drive, NTFS, which is the standard file system for Windows. Unit size we'll leave as default. New volume, quick format. Hit Next and hit Finish. It's going to format. Now this is going to take a while, so I'm just going to pause the video and we'll come back when it's finished. Okay, so now we'll see that the drive has been formatted. If we go down to Start and go to Computer, you see here now that we've got our new volume and it's got the drive letter of B. Now we can change the name of the volume to whatever we like. You can call it anything we like. We'll hit Apply and click OK. You'll see here that it's changed the name, and again, if we go into my computer, we'll have programs. Like I say, label it with whatever is going to be relevant for you, and that's it. That's pretty simple. How to change one big C drive into numerous. I mean, again, we can go on forever, shrinking volumes down. And that's it, how to repartition your Windows C drive. Thanks for watching.